In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. Copy. If you've got a Google Doc full of recipes and want to make it easier to read, print, or share, a clean two-column layout is a great choice. I'll walk you through how to switch your document into two columns and then tidy things up so everything looks polished and professional. Start by opening the Google Doc that contains your recipes. Make sure you're in the document you want to format. A quick tip before we change anything: columns apply to whatever you've selected. If nothing is selected, Google Docs will apply the change to the whole document. So if you only want part of the doc to be in two columns, highlight that section first. If you want everything in columns, leave it unselected. Next, go to the top toolbar and click Format. This is the menu where Google Docs keeps most of its layout tools. From there, look for Columns. When you hover over or click Columns, you'll see a few layout options pop up. Choose the option with two columns. As soon as you select it, your text will automatically flow into the new layout. Don't worry if things look a little different at first, that's normal. Your content will rewrap to fit the page width. If you need a bit more control, you can open the additional column settings to fine-tune spacing or add a vertical line between columns for extra readability. That divider can be especially handy in printouts. Now refine the document so it looks great. Ensure each recipe title stands out. Consistent headings make scanning much easier. Consider placing ingredients on the left and instructions on the right when it makes sense in the two-column flow. Keep your ingredient list neat and your steps concise, using short, clear sentences. Watch for awkward breaks, like a title at the bottom of a column with the content starting at the top of the next. If you spot that, adjust spacing or rewrite a line to bring related content together. Keep an eye on images too. Resize or reposition them so they don't split a list or push important text out of place. Aim for consistent spacing above and below headings and between sections, and make sure fonts and sizes match across the document for a cohesive look. When you're done, take a quick scroll from top to bottom to confirm everything reads smoothly. If you plan to print, preview to check margins and that the columns don't cut off at page breaks. And that's it. You've turned a basic Google Doc into a clean two-column recipe collection that's easy to read, share, and print.